In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance with any issue, it's crucial to know how to reach out effectively to Wise's support team. Let's dive right into it, starting with the very first step. To get started, the initial thing you need to do is open your Wise app on your mobile device. This app is your primary gateway to managing your accounts and accessing help whenever necessary. Make sure you have the latest version to avoid any potential hiccups during this process. Once you're in the app, the next step is to navigate to your profile. Your profile is essentially your control center within the Wise app, housing all your personal and account information. To find it, look for an icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and this will bring you to your personal account overview. Now, while you're in your profile, you need to locate the help section. This area is geared specifically to address any questions or concerns you might have. There should be a section labeled help, and it's typically placed prominently in the menu. This is designed to ensure it's easily accessible whenever you need to reach out for assistance. After opening the help section, you will see various topics that might address your inquiry. However, if your specific issue or question isn't covered or you simply need more direct assistance, look for the Contact Us option. This option is your direct line to customer service and appears often towards the end of the list. Finally, once you select Contact Us, you're set to talk about your issue directly with a support team member. This connection is incredibly valuable as it allows you to explain the problem precisely and get personalized help. From here, follow the instructions provided to connect with a representative, whether it be through chat, a callback, or another method offered in your region. As a tip, always have any relevant information handy before contacting support, such as transaction IDs or account details, to facilitate an efficient conversation. This preparation can save you time and help the support team assist you more effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to reach out to Wise customer support and get the help you need. Keep in mind that response times can vary, so it's always best to reach out during normal business hours if possible. We hope this guide helps you in whatever issue you encounter, making the process swift and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more guides and tips.